Well, last year, President Trump announced a tariff on imported Canadian softwood lumber. The Trump administration says the tariffs were put in place to create a level playing field for U.S. companies who can't compete with less expensive Canadian lumber. From our capital, Liliana Pearson reports these tariffs are affecting producers and consumers.
Tariffs on Canadian lumber and Chinese steel are going to drive up prices.
We're looking at about $7,500 being added to the typically newly built single-family home.
Builder Marty Mitchell says he's already seen an increase in lumber prices, which he must pass on.
It's really just squeezing on the margin of all the builders around the country.
According to Congressman Darren LaHood, tariffs eventually will impact consumers.
The cost to steel and aluminum because of our tariffs, that gets put on to customers and buyers and gets passed along to individuals, which is, again, a tax.
Congressman Rodney Davis says these tariffs hurt.
Not having supplies or supplies being priced out of the marketplace is going to stop many families from being able to achieve the American dream of owning their own home.
President Trump hasn't given any indication that he's going to be reversing course on tariffs anytime soon. Both Congressman Davis and LaHood say if the president wants to punish China for unfair trade practices, he should work with, not against, ally countries. In Washington, D.C., Allison Calaguire, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
And there are supporters of the president's tariffs. The U.S. Lumber Coalition applauded President Trump's move, saying the tariffs will create a level playing field for the hundreds of thousands of workers in the U.S. lumber industry.